To automate Authorize Net Accept Hosted, you need to understand the basics of payment gateways and hosted payment solutions. Authorize Net Accept Hosted is a payment solution that allows merchants to accept payments online without storing sensitive payment information. First, create an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your API requests. Next, choose a programming language and a compatible API library to interact with the Authorize Net API. The automation process involves generating a token, creating a payment form, and submitting payment requests. Start by generating a token using the Authorize Net API. This token will be used to create a payment form. The payment form is a secure web page that collects payment information from customers and submits it to Authorize Net for processing. To create the payment form, use the token generated earlier and redirect the customer to the Authorize Net hosted payment page. The hosted payment page will collect payment information and return a payment response to your server. Upon receiving the payment response, verify the payment status and update your database accordingly. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a seamless payment experience for your customers. Best practices for automating Authorize Net Accept Hosted include using secure protocols for API requests, storing sensitive information securely, and testing your integration thoroughly. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate Authorize Net Accept Hosted and provide a secure payment solution for your customers. In summary, automating Authorize Net Accept Hosted involves generating a token, creating a payment form, submitting payment requests, and verifying payment status. By understanding the basics of payment gateways and hosted payment solutions, choosing the right programming language, and following best practices, you can automate Authorize Net Accept Hosted and provide a seamless payment experience for your customers.